Hi, Sean O'Haron here with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful, brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Let's go to the stern and start out with the motors. Starting out at the stern, got a pair of Merc 250 horsepower Verados. The new V8, naturally aspirated, a lot of torque, smooth power. White motor cowling for that Florida sun, easy to keep clean. Got underwater lights on this boat. Nice countersunk trim tabs. Beautiful swim ladder to get on and off when you're swimming. Short power cord, easy to get to. And also, hose off when you're getting out of the water with the freshwater hose right there. Let's climb aboard and see more what this boat has to offer for you. Starting out in the cockpit, I've deployed the Sure Shade. Press of a button, telescopes out. You can have this up while you're underway at a cruising speed, and especially at anchor. You can see all the nice shade it provides back here. And you got a nice seat, very large seat, heavy-duty metal that puts this seat together, and you can tell how easy it goes back. Got a bait well over here. You double it as a cooler if you're not using it for bait. Another wow factor on this boat is the dive door. For a 28-foot boat to have a dive door, especially one this big, very nice for any of your snorkeling and diving needs. Easy to use, heavy duty, just as you'd expect from Whaler. Port and starboard fish boxes, insulated of course, because it is the unsinkable legend, foam-filled hull. Sealed up, it's going to keep ice for a long time, whether you're using it for provisions or catch of the day. Also, nice, easy access to all of your accessories, your batteries, your bilge pump, everything you need to get to, nicely finished off, all gel-coated inside. Let's move forward, and I'll show you the rest of the boat. Moving forward, you got a lot more seating for guests. You got a nice little jump seat right here, and here's a fun little feature. Pull that out, you got a nice countertop and electric grill, easy to clean surface. Goes away really nicely. Underneath, you got the refrigerator, very convenient. Right here, you got a very interchangeable seat. People can be sitting forward or converts into a lounge that has many different stopping points. From there, all the way down for a complete lounge. Lots of storage underneath there too. Let's move on. Let me show you the helm. Moving forward to the helm, it's got a very convenient dash in many different ways. You got your tried and true compass, so you know where you're going no matter what. Beautiful Raymarine electronics. Fusion stereo. Your Merc digital gauges gives you everything you need to know about those Merc Verados back there. 2 cup holders. Nice drainable area to put your phone and everything that you need to not be moving around while you're underway. Got your outlets to charge and your USB to charge your phone also. Everything's easily labeled right here. Horn, navigation, courtesy lights, freshwater. VHF radio is easy to get to from the helm. More easy to read gauges over on this side so you know exactly what they do. The Lenco trim tabs with indicators so you know exactly where your trim tabs are. The Merc digital throttle shift, very smooth, fly-by-wire. And most important part about the helm is the joystick docking. Ready to dock? You're an expert in no time with that joystick. Waiting for the dock or waiting for a bridge? You go ahead and press skyhook, and this boat's going to keep its position while you're waiting. The port, you have a beautiful bathroom. Head, as you call it on a boat. You got the vacuum flush Dometic head with an overboard discharge. You got the switch for the shore power down there, and the inverter, which operates the grill. Nice sink, nice step down, plenty of room, full-size adult head. Moving forward, you got this amazing constructed windshield by Whaler. You look at this huge stainless steel hinge, amazing latch, so that's not going to go anywhere once you open it. Moving forward to the open bow, you got comfort. As you're going to see, this is an all-around family boat that Whaler produced. Lots of legroom, Fusion stereo control, 2 more JL audio speakers, USB connections, cup holders, everything you need. Storage underneath all the seats, and of course, insulated again, so more cooler space. Forward to that is what we're used to with Whaler, a nice hidden windlass. Out of the way, out of the weather, easy to use with the remote. Nice windlass for anchoring anywhere. Nice little step if you're on the shoreline and you're getting out of the water, you can step there on the non-skid, and another freshwater hose to rinse off when you're done. Lock that up. Nice non-skid surface to get on and off from any dock. Back in the helm area, sitting back underneath this huge hardtop with grab handles, very solid, huge hardtop. This is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whalers Superstore. Please give me a call if you'd like to see this 28 Vantage, brand new 2021 in person, or if you have any other questions on this or any of our yachts.